Welcome to Oracle APM tutorial series. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a metric alarm using out-of-the-box APM metrics. My name is Yutaka Takatsu. I am one of the product managers in Observability and Management product management team in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this demo, I will create an alarm from a default APM metric. What I have on the screen is a metric explorer page. First, select your compartment, then select metric namespace. You can select either from Oracle APM Monitoring, APM RUM, or APM Synthetics. Here in this example, I'm going to select APM RUM. Next is the metric. RUM metrics are already populated in the list. I'm going to select the AJAX download time and select max. Then I would like to update the chart. The chart at the upper side of the screen has been updated. So this is the visualization of the AJAX download time for all occurrence in the compartment for the last 1 hour. To further narrow down to the selected set of data, you can use dimensions. So clicking a dimension field opens a list of dimensions that are available for the RUM metrics. So I'm going to select the Apdex level, which measures the user satisfaction levels, and select frustrated as a dimension value. Then update the chart once again. It now only shows the data which Apdex level is frustrated. So this example created a metric query from the RUM metric filtered by the RUM dimension. Additionally, you can add another dimension to the query to further filter down the metric data. Press Create Alarm button to create an alarm. And this navigates the Create Alarm page. Enter the alarm name, AJAX frustrated, and set to warning. And the metric description and the metric dimension fields are already populated. And set the trigger rule to alarm when the value is greater than 1. So every time the AJAX download time has apex level frustrated, the alarm will be triggered. In this example, there was 1 occurrence in the last 6 hours. And set notifications. I can select Email Me, which is a topic already created in the past. But I can also create a new topic if I wanted to. Click Save Alarm. Now the alarm is created. This is going to send me email notification when the threshold is crossed. This concludes the demonstration creating a metric alarm in APM service. We have more videos discussing and demonstrating APM features, so please see the description of this video to find links to other APM tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.